If you wonder if Redmi A5 does support fast charging, let me quickly explain. As we go into the settings and go for the battery settings, this is the place where we usually will be able to find the fast charging settings, but there are no such settings. But this doesn't mean that the Redmi A5 doesn't have fast charging. This phone does support fast charging feature, but it is like it depends on what charging adapter you are using. So you have to use up to 15 watts charging adapter to actually use fast charging with this phone, and if you are using less than 15 watts, your phone will obviously not charge pretty fast. But as you can see, as we take a look at the box right here, it is recommended to use from 5 to 15 watts charging adapter. So it actually depends on what charging adapter you are using. There is no function to turn it on. The fast charging is enabled like constantly. And actually, if you take a look at the official Xiaomi website, we can find the information that the Redmi A5 supports fast charging with BC12 protocol and PD20 protocol. So that's the quick answer for you.